The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, has suspended the reprinting of official ballots for the 2025 midterm elections. This is after the Supreme Court issued additional temporary restraining orders against disqualifications of Francis Leo Marcos and Noel Rosal.
Mukhang hindi na namin kayang maipangako yung April 14 natin na matatapos ang printing. Sana yung kung magkaroon man ng adjustment, wag naman sanang lalampas na mga April 20 yung printing natin. Kasi ang pinakamahirap talaga po ay yung deployment.
Now, the poll body admitted that the delay is a setback in their preparations. However, they assured that despite the holdups, the elections will proceed as scheduled on May 12.
Kami ay naapektuhan lang talaga ng mabigat kapag kami national candidate sapagkat kinakailangan talagang baguhin ang lahat na naimprenta na balota.
Right. O, yun kasi ba na-guess na natin dito yung si spokesperson Rex Audianco ng COMELEC.
Yes.
Saying na hindi lang kasi printing of ballots yung naantala, naging chain reaction siya. Even yung mock elections that is scheduled already, hindi nila magawa until updated yung ballot. And they have to update it doon sa kanilang electoral management system.
Oo. Yung isang doon, yung binanggit nila, si Francis Leo Marcos. Very controversial figure yan. He's a social media personality. That's not his real name.
Oo nga daw.
He claims to be the son of the late president, former Ferdinand Marcos Sr. And he's running under the Marcos name. Hopefully, he's trying to get the Marcos brand under his name. Ang dami siyang issue na NBI na yan dati.
Yes, I know, I heard.
Na NBI. Plus, ano pa yan, siya yung kumukontra kay Diwata. Sabi niya, mamimigay daw siya ng pares sa lahat ng Pilipino libre. Tapos sa social media, lagi nagpa-flash ng pera yan. So, kaya siya na-tag ng COMELEC.
Na nuisance. Pero dahil nga demokrasya tayo, nag-file sila ng appeal.
Sunod-sunod ang TRO.
Ng TRO. Diba, that's what we talked about with Attorney Rex. Diba? What happens now? You're starting, diba? They've already started the printing of ballots. And what if in the middle of your printing ng ballot, biglang may desisyon ng Korte Suprema?
Actually, yung machines daw ngayon may ad feature. Diba? So hindi dati kasi walang ad feature. So if ever may nangyari kailangan idagdag, pwede na.
Alright, sige. Pero tuloy pa rin daw yung election natin ng May. Dapat lang, diba?